Hi there, students. The Manticore. A Manticore. Okay, the Manticore is a legendary creature. It's got the head of a man and the body of a lion, and the tail is the sting of a scorpion. Okay, so it's a mythical creature. Yeah, it's definitely mythical. And so head of a man and body of a lion and the tail of a scorpion. Now, let's see. Traditionally, the mouth has 3 sets of teeth, and the lion body is red like blood. And maybe in some people say that the Manticore has the tail of a scorpion, or maybe the tail has spines that it can fire at people, and the spines are deadly. Okay, so the Manticore. In various modern versions, the Manticore also has wings. And let's see, I think in mythology, a man cannot kill a Manticore. It's a very, very, very deadly creature. The tail may also be the tail of a dragon. Now, in Dante's Inferno, Geryon, the grandson of Medusa, was a Manticore. And I think people continued to believe in Manticores up to about the 17th century. But the Manticore, porcupine quills or poisonous spikes, and the tail, it could even have the head of a serpent, the head of a snake on the back, yeah, or it could just be the sting of a scorpion. Okay, so what about the origin of this word Manticore? Well, this word Manticore comes from ancient Greek. Marticora with an R. Let's see. There was a Greek physician about 500 BC who included this in his book. Unfortunately, the book has disappeared, and his name was Stasias, and Stasias said that Persians who had travelled to India had seen this Manticore, and the Persian name for it was Marticora, and that's what it was in Greek. Although that's ended up as Manticore. Manticore also in Manticoras in Latin as well, and that's the idea of Manticore. Although they say that in Old Persian this Manticore translates as man-eater, martiria, man, kora, eater. Okay, so Manticore. Okay, so it's got loads and loads of shark-like teeth in its mouth, and maybe it's got horns or wings. And let's see, clearly this is related to the Sphinx, the Egyptian Sphinx, because the Sphinx has got this body of the lion and the head of a man, and here our Manticore has the head of a man and the body of a lion, plus a few extra bits as well. So, well, if you've got a photo of a Manticore, I'd be delighted for you to post it here. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Manticore.